Earth is mostly water. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered in water. That's why it's often called the blue planet. Most of this water is in the oceans, which are salty. Only a small part, about 3%, is fresh water that we can drink. The Earth is not perfectly round. Although it looks like a sphere from space, the Earth is actually a bit squashed at the North and South poles and bulges out around the equator. This shape is called a geoid. We are always moving really fast. Even when you're sitting still, you're moving incredibly fast. The Earth spins on its axis at about 1,000 miles per hour, around 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. It also orbits the Sun at an average speed of 67,000 miles per hour, about 107,826 kilometers per hour. The highest mountain is not what you think. While Mount Everest is famous for being the highest point above sea level, Mauna Kea in Hawaii is actually taller if you measure from its base on the ocean floor. The longest mountain range is underwater. The Mid-Oceanic Ridge is a massive underwater mountain range that stretches for about 40,000 miles, 64,000 kilometers, across the Earth's oceans. There's a place colder than your freezer. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was about -100 and 28.6 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 89,2 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. That's seriously chilly. Some deserts can be very cold. When you think of a desert, you might imagine hot sand dunes. But some deserts, like the Gobi Desert in Asia, can get very cold and even have snow in the winter. Trees can talk to each other. Trees can communicate through a network of fungi in the soil, sometimes called the Wood Wide Web. They can send signals to warn other trees about dangers like attacking insects. Did you know